This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Chiplanders. 2019 renovation for 3-bedroom with large 4th bedroom/in-law room with separate entrance. Wood look tile flooring, newer air conditioner and amp, water heater. New kitchen with island including white shaker cabinets, granite counters, stainless appliances. New baths with subway tile and granite tops. Great in-town community and no HOA. Big corner lot and backyard. For more information, review the details below.